All right, settle down, class. It's time to start our 5-minute meditation for kids. Are you ready? Very good. Now, there are 3 things to remember for meditation. Number 1, sit down. Are you sitting down? Okay. Now, number 2, close your eyes. For this exercise, you have to keep your eyes closed. All right? Now, number 3, pay attention to the breath. Now, I'm going to start the timer for 5 minutes. And when you hear the sound of the gong, that means that your meditation is complete. All right? Okay, it's time to start. Now, can you feel the breath moving through your nose? Can you feel the air at the entrance of the nostrils? Pay attention, my friends. You have to concentrate. Concentrate on the breath. This is an exercise to help you balance your mind. It's very helpful. So pay close attention, my friends. The air moving through your nose. The breath is always with you, my friends. Sometimes, when your mind starts to wander away, you can bring your attention back to the breath. And it feels wonderful, my friends. We call this mindfulness of breath. It could be a big breath that you're feeling, or it could be a short breath. It could be a fast breath, or it could be a slow breath. The breath is always changing, my friends. And it doesn't matter, any kind of breath is okay. The important thing is to pay attention. To feel the breath. This is not an exercise in imagination, my friends. This is about the reality, my friends. The reality of the breath. So, pay attention to the spot right at the entrance of the nose, to the nostrils, just below below the nostrils. Right on the upper lip, the place where you can feel the breath, the place where you can feel the air, the little spot right below the nose. Pay attention. You're doing wonderful, my friends. Just keep concentrating. The breath moves in, and the breath moves out. All day the breath moves in, and the breath moves out. Keep practicing, my friends. Well, my friends, I guess that's the end of our meditation for today. You did an excellent job, my friends. Great work. All right, we'll see you next time. Goodbye, my friends. Goodbye.